Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a 5-spice pork with a ginger and carrot salad. So very first thing, we've got our oven preheated to 350 degrees. I've got our pork here, which I've just scored the top in a grid pattern. That's just to kind of allow some of our seasonings to kind of get on the inside a little bit and help the pork cook a little bit quicker. So I'm going to season these. Drizzle a little bit of oil over the top. We have our Chinese 5-spice. I'll sprinkle a little bit on the top, then I'm going to rub it in. We'll flip these over and season the other side. All right, so we're ready now to pop these into the oven. We're going to do this until these are cooked through. We're looking for about 155 degrees on these. 145 if you can handle eating your pork a little bit more rare, which is nowadays becoming more and more acceptable, but you also want to make sure that it is cooked through. So always use a thermometer when checking that. Pop these in. All right, now real quickly, while we pop those in, we have our carrots here, which I've just thinly sliced because this is just going to be a cold, crunchy salad on top. There's not much to this at all. We've got a little bit of grated ginger. I'm going to add that in. I just have a little bit of leftover lemon zest. If you got some lime, lemon, orange zest, whatever, would work just fine in this. If you don't have it, you can admit it. I'm just using what I have on hand. We're also going to now season this with a little salt, some fresh cracked black pepper, drizzle of oil, then we're going to just kind of lightly toss this all together. One more addition to this salad, I'm going to add a splash or two of orange juice. The hint of citrus will kind of brighten this up a little bit. All right, so you let that set aside. You could even put it back into your refrigerator, keep it nice and cold. All right, we're ready now to pull our pork chops from the oven. I'm going to check these with the thermometer. Okay, we're at 155. 160 is well done. And we are there. Okay, so we're definitely good and cooked. All right, at this point, we're going to allow these to rest for about 5 minutes or so, let those juices kind of calm down and evenly redistribute throughout the pork. So we get a nice juicy slice of pork when you cut into it. And then we're going to plate this up with our crunchy carrot salad, and we're going to top these at the last minute with some of our poppy seeds just on top of the pork. So we'll plate this up, show you the finished product in just a few minutes.